Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to encourage you to animate a scene or short story for the It's Alive project. So now that you've learned how to create a bunch of different costumes and how to use code to make them as smooth animations, I want to encourage you to add in more sprites to actually make a scene or a short story. So for example, because Jordan is playing soccer, I added in a soccer ball that has different functions that makes it move. And I added in a referee that looks like no referee I've ever seen, but still kind of cool. And it makes a short story where Jordan scores a point. You could make something completely different because you might not have picked a soccer player. You might have picked somebody else or something else in your project. So enjoy creating some functions, add in a bunch of different animations, and create an interesting short story or scene for your It's Alive project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.